My favorite pet is a cat. Her name is Mimi. She is small, soft, and very cute. Mimi has white and gray fur and big green eyes. She is 3 years old. I got her when she was a little kitten. Mimi lives in our house. She has her own bed, but she often sleeps on the sofa or my bed. She loves to sleep in the sun and play with her toys. Her favorite toy is a small ball with a bell inside. She runs after it and catches it with her paws. Every morning, Mimi waits for me to wake up. When I get out of bed, she follows me to the kitchen. I give her milk and cat food. Sometimes, I give her some fish or chicken. She eats quietly and then licks her paws. Mimi is a friendly cat. She likes to sit on my lap and purr. She also likes to play with my little brother. He throws toys and she runs after them. Mimi never scratches or bites. She is gentle and kind. I love Mimi because she makes me happy. When I feel sad or tired, she comes to me and stays close. I talk to her and it feels like she understands me. She is more than a pet, she is my friend. I take care of Mimi every day. I give her food and water, clean her litter box, and brush her fur. I also take her to the vet once a year. The vet checks her health and gives her medicine if needed. Having a pet is a big responsibility, but it is also a great joy. Mimi is a part of my family. I love her very much and I hope we will be together for many more years.